Upgrading your car stereo is easier than you think. First, we need to make sure you have all the accessories you'll need to install your new car stereo. Consult your vehicle's manual for cautions and warnings about the battery and safety. Disconnect the battery terminal. Follow the detailed instructions for removing your car stereo. Remove all screws holding the factory stereo in place. Unplug all wiring connectors and the antenna lead from the factory stereo. Use the instructions for your specific vehicle to prepare the dash kit for mounting. Mount the stereo to the kit. Now it's time to wire up your new car stereo to the connector. Carefully crimp each wire with the crimp tool. The Scosche connector allows you to easily connect your new stereo to the factory wiring. Some vehicles may require a stereo replacement interface. Connect the new stereo. Mount the dash kit in your vehicle. Reassemble your vehicle. Reconnect the battery terminal. Enjoy your new system.